Accountants, those mysterious beings who speak in a language of debits, credits, and spreadsheets. They are the unsung heroes of the financial world, the ones who make sure every penny is accounted for and every transaction is recorded with precision. They're the guardians of our finances, the masters of numbers. They ensure that businesses run smoothly, taxes are filed correctly, and budgets are adhered to. Without them, the financial world would be in chaos. But what happens when you introduce these number nerds to something as revolutionary as blockchain? Blockchain, the technology that promises to change the way we handle data and transactions forever. You get a comedy of errors, that's what. Just kidding. In reality, it's a fascinating blend of traditional accounting principles and cutting-edge technology. It's actually a match made in financial heaven. Accountants can leverage blockchain to enhance accuracy, reduce fraud, and streamline processes. Imagine the possibilities when every transaction is recorded in an immutable ledger. Blockchain accounting is like giving your financial records a superhero upgrade. It's faster, more efficient, and incredibly secure. No more worrying about lost data or unauthorized changes. It's a way to track every single transaction, every penny spent in a way that's secure, transparent, and practically tamper-proof. Every entry is time-stamped and verified by multiple parties, making it nearly impossible to alter. Imagine a world where you could never lose a receipt again and where your taxes practically filed themselves. With blockchain, this dream is closer to reality than ever before. Accountants can focus on more strategic tasks, leaving the mundane record-keeping to the technology. The integration of blockchain into accounting is not just a trend, it's a revolution. It empowers accountants to provide better insights, improve compliance, and offer more value to their clients. The future of accounting is here, and it's powered by blockchain. So next time you think of accountants, don't just picture them buried in spreadsheets. Think of them as pioneers, embracing new technologies to make the financial world a better place. Blockchain and accountants together? Now that's a combination worth celebrating. Remember that time your uncle claimed he lost the receipt for that business expense? It was frustrating, right? You had to take his word for it and there was no way to verify the truth. Or when your roommate swore they paid their half of the rent? You were left wondering if they were being honest or just trying to get out of paying. With blockchain accounting, those days are gone. Imagine a world where every financial transaction is recorded and verified in real time. Transparency is the name of the game, folks. No more second guessing or trusting blindly. Every transaction is recorded on a public ledger, like a giant digital accounting book that everyone can see. This ledger is immutable, meaning once a transaction is recorded, it cannot be altered or deleted. No more hiding receipts, no more fudging the numbers. Everything is transparent and traceable. It's all out there in the open, clear as day. You can track every penny, every transaction, and every financial move with ease. Blockchain technology ensures that honesty and transparency are built into the system, making financial management simpler and more reliable for everyone involved. Now, I know what you're thinking. Danny, if it's public, can't anyone just change it? Nope. And that's the beauty of blockchain. It's like a vault guarded by 1,000 digital watchdogs. Every transaction is encrypted and linked to the previous one, creating a chain of information that's virtually unbreakable. So, unless your grandma is a world-class hacker, your financial records are safe and sound. Remember those endless hours spent reconciling bank statements and tracking down invoices? Well, say goodbye to those days. Blockchain accounting is here to make your life easier. Transactions are processed automatically and in real time, without the need for intermediaries or mountains of paperwork. That means less time spent on tedious tasks and more time for, actually enjoying your life. Section 5, nodes and blocks, it's like a giant secure spreadsheet. Okay, I'll admit it, the technical side of blockchain can sound a little intimidating. But fear not, dear viewers, because I'm here to break it down for you. Imagine a giant digital spreadsheet that's shared across a network of computers. These computers are called nodes, and they're like the accountants of the blockchain world, constantly verifying and recording transactions. Each group of transactions is bundled into a block, and these blocks are chained together, forming a secure and transparent record of every financial move. Now, let's dive a bit deeper. Each transaction is encrypted, ensuring that the data remains secure and tamper-proof. This encryption process makes it nearly impossible for anyone to alter the information once it's been added to the blockchain. Think of it as a digital fortress, where every piece of data is locked away safely. And because this giant spreadsheet is shared across multiple nodes, everyone has access to the same information. This means that any updates or changes are reflected in real time, ensuring complete transparency. The decentralized nature of blockchain means there's no single point of failure. Even if one node goes down, the rest of the network continues to function seamlessly. Every transaction is verified by multiple nodes, adding an extra layer of security. So, in essence, blockchain is like a giant secure spreadsheet that everyone can trust. It's a revolutionary way to ensure data integrity and security in our digital world. And that's why it's becoming such a vital part of our technological landscape. So, next time you hear about blockchain, remember it's just like a giant secure spreadsheet. Section 6, real-world examples, from bean counting to Bitcoin tracking. Blockchain accounting isn't just some futuristic fantasy, folks. It's already being used in the real world, and not just for tracking cryptocurrency. Businesses are using it to streamline their supply chains, governments are using it to track spending and prevent fraud, and even auditors are using it to make their jobs a little less, well, boring. Section 7, the future of finance. Accountants will finally rule the world. With blockchain accounting taking the world by storm, one thing is clear. The future of finance is looking bright. Accountants, armed with the power of blockchain, will finally get the recognition they deserve. They'll be the heroes of the financial world, the guardians of transparency and efficiency. Section 8, buckle up, accountants. It's going to be a wild ride, so there you have it, folks. Blockchain accounting, it's secure, it's transparent, and it's about to revolutionize the way we handle money. Accountants of the world, get ready for a wild ride. The future of finance is here, and it's more exciting than a balanced spreadsheet. Section 9, disclaimer. This essay may contain traces of humor. Please be advised that this essay was written for education purposes and should not be considered financial advice. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.